Imagine walking into your home and instantly feeling a sense of calm, order, and freshness. No clutter, no dust, no chaos. Just a sparkling, inviting space that lifts your mood the moment you step inside. Today, I'm going to show you simple, genius hacks that can completely transform your home with minimal effort. Before we dive in, make sure to like this video, subscribe, and hit the bell icon, because these tips will change the way you experience your living space forever. 1. Declutter smartly. The first step to transforming your home is tackling clutter. Most people try to clean everything at once and quickly get overwhelmed. Instead, focus on small areas: one drawer, one shelf, or one corner per day. 2. Maximize vertical space. Many homes overlook vertical storage. Shelves, hooks, and wall organizers can make a huge difference without taking up floor space. Hang pots in the kitchen, install shelves in the bathroom, or add racks in your living room. Using vertical space not only frees up cluttered surfaces, but also makes rooms feel more open and spacious. 3. Create cleaning stations. Instead of running around looking for cleaning supplies, set up small stations in key areas like the kitchen, bathroom, and living room. Keep microfiber cloths, sprays, and small baskets handy. This saves time, reduces procrastination, and makes it easier to tackle quick messes immediately so your home stays consistently clean. 4. Smart storage solutions. Storage bins, drawer dividers, and underbed organizers are lifesavers. They not only hide clutter, but also categorize items for easier access. Labeling bins adds clarity and saves you time searching for things. Even a small investment in smart storage drastically improves the look and functionality of your home. 5. Quick decor refresh. Changing small elements can instantly refresh your home. Swap out old throw pillows, update rugs, or rotate artwork on the walls. Even small updates like adding candles, plants, or fresh flowers can dramatically enhance the ambiance. These little changes make your home feel new without a full renovation. 6. Use light to your advantage. Lighting affects mood and perception of space. Open curtains during the day, add floor lamps, or use string lights for ambiance. Bright, well-lit spaces feel larger and more inviting. Strategically placed mirrors can reflect light, making rooms appear even more spacious and clean. 7. Implement daily mini habits. Tiny daily actions have huge effects. Make your bed, wipe down counters, and put items back in their place each evening. These small habits prevent mess from accumulating and create a perpetually tidy home. Over time, these mini routines make cleaning less overwhelming and keep your home looking flawless effortlessly. 8. Deep clean strategically. Deep cleaning doesn't need to be frequent, just strategic. Focus on high-traffic areas like the kitchen, bathroom, and living room floors. Use natural solutions for surfaces and appliances. By cleaning deeply but efficiently, you maintain a sense of freshness and hygiene, which elevates the overall look and feel of your home. 9. Green touches. Plants bring life, color, and vibrancy. Even one or two well-placed plants can transform a dull corner into a lively, refreshing area. They also improve air quality and create a calm, natural vibe that instantly makes your home more inviting. 10. Personalize smartly. A home looks alive when it reflects your personality. Display a few meaningful items like photos, souvenirs, or art pieces. Avoid cluttering surfaces, but curated personal touches create warmth and character without overwhelming the space. If these hacks inspired you, like this video, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more practical tips that make your home shine effortlessly. Start small today and watch as your space transforms into the clean, organized, and beautiful home you've always wanted. Your home will never look the same once you apply these simple, effective hacks. Minimal effort, maximum impact, and a living space you'll love to come home to every single day.